Good day, everyone. I'm not a chef, and today we will see 3 ways to cook canned chickpeas. We will begin with chickpeas summer salad. Strain 1 can of chickpeas. Put the chickpeas in a bowl. Add salt, black pepper, coriander powder, paprika, olive oil, and mix. Spread on a tray and put in the oven on 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Put the roasted chickpeas in a bowl. Slice 1 cucumber into thin slices. Add the cucumber to the chickpeas. Julienne half a carrot. Add the carrots to the bowl. For the dressing, add 1 chili pepper in a food processor. Add a bunch of mint leaves. Add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Squeeze half a lime. Add salt. Then blend until smooth. Add olive oil and blend again. Add the dressing to the bowl. And mix. The second recipe is chickpeas with tomato sauce. Cut 2 big tomatoes into small pieces. Dice 1 clove of garlic. To a pan, add olive oil. Add the garlic. Stir until golden. Add the tomatoes. Add salt, black pepper, put on low heat and cover the pan. Chop a bunch of parsley. Remove the lid when the tomato is soft and watery. Add the parsley and stir. Add dried oregano and stir. Strain a can of chickpeas. Add the chickpeas to the tomato sauce and stir. Cover and leave on the heat for 2 more minutes. Lastly, we are making chickpea soup. In a hot pan, put a knob of butter, add olive oil, dice half an onion, drop the onion in the butter and fry until translucent. Add coriander powder and stir. In a blender, put a can of chickpeas. Add half a can full of water. Then blend. Add the blended chickpeas to the pan and stir. Then add salt, garlic powder, and chili flakes, and stir.